Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today we're in Egypt. We're currently staying at the Mamluk Pyramids Hotel, which is in the Giza area, close by to the pyramids. If you look just over there, you can see the smallest of all the three pyramids. Slightly dusty this morning. It's like 7:30. It's a Monday morning, and we're gonna go get some breakfast. Then we're gonna head out to go and see the pyramids. The reason why we've chosen to go this early is because there's less people around and it's easy to sort of find your way around at this time. There's less crowds, so yeah, we're really looking forward to it. It's our first time visiting the pyramids. I'm going to try to show you as much as I can, and most importantly I'm going to try to also show you the kind of behind the scenes and what goes on around the pyramids. I've heard there's like quite a few stalls. As always, there's going to be people hassling you. That's just how they make money, I guess. So it's a given. We're anticipating that. Let's go get some breakfast and then out to the pyramids. This is my omelette here being made. It's got all sorts in it and cheese as well and some tomatoes and stuff like that. So looking forward to eat that. Shukran. So we're walking down towards the entrance where the ticket booth is, and it's like 8, maybe 8 o'clock right now, and you can see the roads are pretty empty at this moment. So we're gonna go get our tickets. I think it costs like 200 Egyptian pounds, which is around 10 pounds in UK, and it's around maybe, I don't know, like $13, maybe 11 euros or something. 400. And camera as well? Free, no problem.
You know,
so it's very common here to actually get hassled here. So like I said before, it's already begun, and like I've been asked to buy a scarf and a face mask. Like he's saying that I have to wear a face mask inside. Why would I need to wear a face mask on outside? Alright guys, so we have finally made it into the complex, and it's such a nice feeling being here, because when we came yesterday there was a sandstorm and we were looking at the pyramids but we couldn't come inside. So amazing to be here. I'll just give you some first glimpses. We've also been told that if you look just over there, there's a Pizza Hut, and that Pizza Hut over there apparently is the best place to get a view of the pyramids. So just go in for like a crush'em or something like that, and you can get some awesome views.
like this.
You can touch this. You can touch the Sphinx.
This kiss your handless.
Ah, okay.
Stop here.
From here?
Camera.
It's okay, no problem. I will do.
Money is simple.
So it can be a really daunting experience when you come to the pyramids for the first time, because as you're walking through, you'll get approached by people. A good example is being approached here by someone with a horse, and yeah, it's quite common. So just take it with a pinch of salt. They're just trying to make a bit of money, I guess. They've woken up early. Come early in the morning, because like we got hassled by maybe like 3 people so far, but according to the stories I've heard, that's nothing in comparison to what other people have experienced. So there's a load of camels here, as you can see. That's the best thing about visiting in the morning. There's nobody really bugs you. You get 1 or 2 people. It's really nice and calm and relaxing. I can go at my own pace, which is the best thing. So you might have seen photos of the pyramids on the internet or on video, but have you ever seen a pyramid like this before? I am literally left wondering how on earth these bricks here could have been lifted. Look at the size of that one over there. Look at the size of these here, and they go all the way up. And that, in comparison to that, is completely different. So the amount of effort, the amount of work, the machinery used, the tools used is literally a wonder. 5 quick facts about the pyramids. Number 1, it attracts 14.7 million tourists per year. Number 2, the pyramids are approximately 4,500 years old. Number 3, the pyramids are known to be one out of the 7 ancient wonders of the world. Number 4, it was actually built for the pharaohs that lived back then, who believed they'd be gods in the afterlife. And number 5, to give you an idea of how tall the pyramids are, well, this one especially, the Khufu pyramid, the largest of all 3, it's approximately 450 feet, which interestingly is taller than the Statue of Liberty and also the Big Ben, and I think also the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. There was a tourist, I think, years and years ago who actually tried to climb this pyramid here, and his video actually went quite viral. So we've just haggled a price to get a camel to take us around the entire complex for like an hour, and it costed us 150 Egyptian pounds, which is like £7.50, which is not bad for an hour. Really good price. Have these camels got any names?
Name like it's a camel?
Yes.
Charlie Brown.
Charlie Bro?
Yeah. You?
Yeah.
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
But these great guys here, outside yesterday around 4 o'clock I think it was, and there was a guy outside and he goes, "Hi, you can take a camel ride for 450 Egyptian pounds," which is like about maybe around 20 pounds or something, more than 20 pounds. So I knew that was a huge amount to pay. But yeah, you come in the morning, you even benefit from some good prices. As fun as it is riding these camels, I can't quite help but feel a bit sorry for them, because the amount of people that are using them on a day-to-day basis. So there's the second pyramid over there, that's the big one over there. So if you look just over there, you have the beginning of the desert. This is exactly how people used to travel back in the days, from one place to another, and it used to take them months, days, weeks, months to get from one place to another. Best time to come. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning right now, and it's empty. Got the whole place to ourselves. So over there we have the Sahara Desert. Guide was just telling us that there's Bedouins living around these areas today, who have no fixed home, and they basically do this on a daily basis. So they must have very strong hips and legs, because it's really working out my back, my waist, my hips. Good way to get that working. Look at these guys here. These guys here have brought us all the way into the middle of, well, not middle of desert, but in the desert. So yeah, thanks to these guys. I forgot their names, Banana and Charlie Brown and Banana. So after stopping here, the great thing about actually stopping here is that from here you can get a view of all the 9 pyramids. So he was telling us that there's 3 big pyramids, and then you've also got 6 smaller ones. So there's 3 here and there's 3 down there as well. So they're the parent pyramids and they're the children pyramids here. But like I said before, there are more than 100 pyramids around this entire area, so this is just a glimpse of them. So a quick tip, people will come up to you near the pyramids and just hand you a drink. It's really important that you don't take it, because we took it, and then when we did take it and we said we'll give you, how much is it, and then he just said like, give whatever you want. I gave him like 20 Egyptian pounds and he was like, no, that's not enough, you need to give me more. So be really careful. If you're not thirsty, don't take the drink. Actually, don't ever take a drink inside the pyramids. Be really careful, and always make sure that you sort prices out from beforehand with anyone before you take anything within the pyramids, otherwise you will get scammed. And then you have also people trying to come up to you to ride camels and horses. They will not stop. It's very common for people to come up to you. So a good tip is that when you speak, maybe if you know another language, don't reply in English or in Arabic or something, reply in a different language, so they might just walk off from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, shukran. Thank you. So it's very common for people to come up to you, so I'm just trying to give you an idea, but you have to try to stay calm and collective and just relax, because they're not here to hurt you, they're not here to bug you or anything like that. They're simply here to just make a bit of money, really, that's all. This is their job, this is their daily grind, and that's about it. So we just had a police officer here tell us that if you want, you could actually go inside and touch the stone, so that'd be nice. So yeah, I mean, let's climb up on here. I am just completely amazed by how big these stones are. It's just crazy. So the police officer said go even further, so things are getting really interesting here. So I'm just going to walk along here to show you that one thing that's really interesting about the pyramids is you won't find any kind of carvings or hieroglyphics, I think that's what you call it, carved into these pyramids. And the reason why that is because the Egyptians wanted to keep, the pharaohs, the Egyptians wanted to keep things simple. And unlike in Göbekli Tepe, one of the oldest temples in the world, they didn't focus much on the intricacy and the small kind of designs and the small details. It was simply about getting the job done. So this guy, I shouldn't have actually listened. He said that he's going to take a free picture of me, but let's wait and see if he does take a free picture of me. I'm not really sure.
You
Yes,
live in
okay.
England?
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
live in England?
Yes, I do.
I see your face from England.
Yes, I'm from England. Yes, yes.
Don't worry.
This is for free, right?
As you like.
Free. No, not as you like. Free. He said free.
I make you happy because you make me happy.
But you said it's free,
I
right?
know.
I make
free
you
for the
happy.
boat.
No.
Excuse me.
You said
It
it's
was something for the camel, you know.
no, but I asked him. He said free.
I know, but
I say I make you happy, you make me happy. I'm not saying no, I make you happy, you make me happy.
No. I asked you, is it free?
Why you put your phone in your camera like this?
Because I want to show people the reality.
Show the
I
people.
want to show people if it's true or not.
You are a
How we
good
make
person.
Yeah, no, because you like.
You are a good person. You are a good person.
Look, I asked you if it's free. You said it's free. Okay. Now
I
you
say I make you happy, you make me happy. I'm not saying for free.
I'll make you happy with my smile. Okay. There you go.
I know.
There
I
we
know.
go. There we go.
I make
That's
you
all.
do something for free. I don't like money because I'm a rich man. I'm not poor.
Oh, you're a rich man.
you
Thank
want
you.
the money?
No,
You want the money?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I bring it money for
no,
you.
no,
promise,
no,
if you want.
no, it's okay. It's okay.
I have
that's
a lot
fine.
of money. If
No,
you
no,
want.
no, it's okay. I don't want money.
Take your time. I have a lot of money. I'm not rich. I'm not poor. You want the money?
No, it's okay. I don't need money. Thank you. Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Thank you. Shukran.
This is something for free for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Because India very good people.
Yes, they are. They are. And Egyptian very good as well.
Thank you.
Thank
for
you.
the help.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Excuse me, you are with the group?
No, I'm alone, but I have a friend waiting
Where?
over there near Funduk.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah. Not far from here. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
after we give you a buggy like this.
Yes.
You go to the panorama
Okay.
to see, look, to see the nine pyramid.
Oh, I've seen. I went to the Sahara and I've seen with a camel before
By camel.
with Tariq.
With Tariq.
Yes. I went with Tariq.
You staying with Tariq Hotel?
No. I went with Tariq. You know who wears this?
Yeah.
And he is young boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went with Tariq. Yes.
I mean to say if you're interested to go by buggy, we'll give you good price.
No, it's okay. I have been here for 2 hours now. I'm tired. I appreciate. Thank you very
You
much.
are lucky you make this
Yeah, I trying. It's the first time.
travel.
I know.
Yeah, you know, you've seen vloggers. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you very much. Thank you. Shukran.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
Salam.
Assalamu rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So as I was saying before, yeah, you have to be extremely careful. I think you know, it's easy to get carried away when people are constantly pestering you. I think if you've never been to like any like kind of off the beaten path destinations, then it might come as a bit of a shock, but just be ready for these things. That's a clear lesson to learn. Don't make the mistake of just getting on if you're not interested. So we're going to end the video right here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Just to review, best time to come is in the morning, and also the hassling involved when you get inside is not actually that bad. Just take it with a pinch of salt. If you're really interested, inquire, otherwise just walk on. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed touring the place with us through this video. I will be publishing more videos from here in Cairo, most likely Cairo, for the next few weeks. Just to end the video, we're going to show you one last view of the largest pyramid, called the Khufu pyramid, just there. See you guys in another video. So when we came, this area was completely empty, but look how many people are coming in and out. And over there, so many people have gathered. It's like a constant stream of traffic. Hi, my name is Jubair Ahmed, and if you like my travel videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok to stay up to date with my journeys across the world.